First cast this morning. Not bad. There's fish on. Feel small, but let's see what it is. First one for the morning. Jack. Small bar jack. First one for the morning. Small bar jack. On the yo-zuri lure again. I'm casting with the favorite rod. Casting with favorite. Very beautiful rod. Got this rod from my friend Josh when he came down here. So, can say I...
Yeah man, come on. One love for the Hartman team.
Yeah. And that's Josh. Josh is here from the US as well. Minnesota. Guys, this you should see some of the type of fishing he does. It's crazy. He shows me some of his ice fishing setup and stuff like that. Crazy setup. I love to experience that, but trust me, I don't think I can manage and cold it. He and his wife came to visit Jamaica in December and we chilled out for a little bit. He brought this rod and gave it to me along with a couple of lures, and he was adamant that he wanted to see this rod being used in the videos. So there you go, Josh. I know that you and your son probably watching these videos, so big up to you and your entire family. Big up Lauren, your wife. Trust me guys, these are some really cool people. I got to meet them in December. They are subscribers of my channel and I got to meet them in December. It was awesome chilling out with them and getting to know them a bit. Very nice people. Woo. There is a bar jack. Bar jack. Alright, so I'm moving further down the beach. I just see a couple divers come up in the area, so just moving further down the beach. See if I can kind of move out of the area where they are. As I always say in my other videos, once the divers start come, no more bites. So right now I haven't gotten a hit or a chase or anything for a little bit now, so just changing spot, going further down the beach. Maybe I might be able to get some hookups down there, so just moving from where I'm at right now. I left home really early this morning and never eat any breakfast, so only got this one jack. It's going to be breakfast this morning. I don't have any seasoning or anything, but I have my lighter and my bar. So I just gonna make up a fire and put him on it. Now scale him, only remove the guts. Doesn't get any fresher than this, you know, guys. Doesn't get any fresher than this. Just caught this fish not too long ago, and already it's being prepared to cook, so being prepared for eating. So don't get any fresher than this. This morning is one of the better mornings that I came out, or I could come out. It's been crazy for the past couple of weeks. A lot of bad weather, high wind, rough sea. So this morning isn't bad at all, but at least I could get to come out. Last week I woke up, it didn't even make sense to drive out from home. I could hear the sea rolling from where I live. That doesn't usually happen. Usually you don't hear the sea from that far. Alright. Finish cleaning them up. Just make up a fire somewhere now. Not even sure when I'm going to make up one fire. I'm going to just make up a fire, score the sides, and then put him on the fire to go on the roast. I don't have any seasoning to use on it. So it's just the salt water from cleaning them up. That's all that is going to be used for seasoning. Breeze is starting to pick up a little bit, so this might be, after I finish eat this, I might go home because, as I was saying earlier, wind, getting a lot of high wind recently, so just I'll get going now, see how quickly we can get this roast up and then start eat. So you guys stay tuned. Just to make the fire go and burn down a little bit. Don't want the fire too high underneath it, so just to make it go and burn down a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to strip them here. Go and strip them here so that don't have on any skin. See fire, I can go and burn down a little bit. See if I can find one more, I think green stick, strip off it. Them here are from the wild sea grape. And stick here from the wild sea grape, so they're not poisonous. Just core the sides a bit so that it can soak a little bit faster, but don't have no seasoning to put in there, so hopefully it can absorb as much smoke as possible, so it can have a really nice smoky flavor. Enough fish this for your breakfast, you know? For one person breakfast. This is the favorite lure. This is the favorite rod that caught fish this morning, and it wasn't this lure. It's a Rapala lure, but it's the yo-zuri lure that I always catch on. The lure they're wicked, you know, guys. I'm telling you. I never put it in my bag already, but I show you. But the lure there. The next day I show you the lure. Pack it up already. But this rod, very nice. Small reel. I don't think it's saltwater rated, but try to clean it up as best as possible every time I go out with it. That's the first fish that I caught with it. So big up Josh and Lauren for that rod. That Rapala bait that is on there as well. I got that bait from Josh as well. So got a couple lures from him. Got that rod as well. So big up Josh and Lauren and your kids. Big up, man. Hopefully we can get to link up again and chill out another time. So big up yourself, Josh. So it's 2023, guys. We're out of 2022 now, and it's a new year to look forward to. Happy New Year to you guys. Hope you guys have a very blessed and a prosperous 2023. Hope that I get to run into a couple more of you guys. It's always great when I get to meet my subscribers, when they walk up and say, hey, I watch your channel and I subscribe to your channel. It's always great interacting with you guys. When I did another video about yesterday or the day before, and I ran into two of my subscribers. They were fishing as well. One of them catch a nice fish. Dean and what's the other one? Forgot his name. I have big problems with names, guys. Trust me, I have big problems with names. Can't remember people's names. But big up yourself, Dean, and your virgin. And subscribe and tell me saying I watch your channel all the time. So big up with yourself. And also tell me saying I subscribe to Jamaica Shore Fishing. So big up Jamaica Shore Fishing. Jerry, my virgin. Hopefully we can get to do a link up and go do some fishing this year. We've actually planned to do some fishing over in the last year, but it just never worked out. But hopefully this year we can link up and do some fishing. So guys, go over to Jamaica Shore Fishing, check out his channel, let him know that Hartman Adventures sent you over there. So go and check out his channel. He does a lot of fishing. Goes pretty much everywhere in Jamaica and go fishing. He do all type of fishing, guys. So go and check out his channel. So just there, I go and wait for the fish to go and roast. And not quite ready yet, so I'll see if I can get a turn. So stay tuned. Side, they're not fully soaked yet, but go and turn him over. Make this side can go and soak too. Can hear him go and sizzle now, guys. So guys, I have the rods leaning on this branch right here. So I kept on hearing this music. Kept on hearing like something singing or something in the background, and I couldn't figure out what it was. So started following the sound. Would you believe that when the wind is blowing through the lines on the rod like this, when the wind is blowing through the lines, it plays a music. I doubt the camera can pick it up, but it plays like this little whistling sound. So fascinating. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible, see if the camera will pick it up. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but hopefully it picked it up and you guys can hear it. Alright, so just finish it off now. Take it down off of the little area that I built for it. Put it down flat on the coal now. So pretty much just go and finish off now. You can see this side is already done. Just finish dry out the other side. I have 2 buckets of water right here. As soon as it finish, now just out down the fire. We don't want to leave the fire right there, so just out down everything and make sure say everything is put out properly. The battery is dying now. I have about 15% more battery, so I'm going to turn off the camera, see if I can save just a little bit of the battery to do a wrap up. Do a nice big plate, you know. Do a nice big plate. Plate are not too big still, but biggest one them this my find. Do a nice plate. Very windy out there now. Can't see diver them out there, so we'll leave a diver there out there. Probably about 10 diver that out the side. Alright, so let's get it off. fire out down now. Fish right there, so. Alright, so because I never scale him, just a scrape off some of the scale with it on him now. All of them get very crispy, so they're easy if they come off. Scrape off a couple of scale them. See that? Nice white flaky meat. It's good. Trust me guys, this not on no seasoning. No seasoning, no salt, no black pepper, nothing like that. But it's really smoky and it tastes really nice. Very, very nice. You guys can see. But as I say, camera battery are dead. You can see about 5% battery left on here right now. So thanks for tuning in again. Thanks for supporting Hartman Adventures. Hoping to do a lot more adventures in 2023. We still on a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers and then push on from there. Right now on 500 and something, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about these videos. For 2023, look out for my website. I'll be launching my website in 2023, so you guys can keep up with the vlogs as well. So just stay tuned for that. As soon as it's up and running, I'll put a link in the description and you guys can find it. But look out for that for 2023 as well. Big up on yourself again guys. Remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Goal is 1,000 subscribers and then we push on from there again. So thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next video.